How do you build a diverging bar chart in Power BI? In this example, I have a bar chart of profit by state, and the bars go either right or left based on the profit. Texas has a negative profit, and California has a positive profit. Let's take a look at how to build this in Power BI. A diverging bar chart is simply a bar chart with a positive and negative value. So let's bring in a bar chart, cut it by state, and bring in profit. That's going to give us a bar chart of state and profit. You can color the bars by clicking on the Format button, clicking on Bars, and then Conditional Formatting. In this case, I want the lowest value to be orange and the highest value to be blue. You can add a middle color. Let's make it white, and make sure the middle value is 0. Click OK, and I have a diverging bar chart.